이렇게 쉐도잉을 해서 밑에 이제 설명란에 공유를 할게요. 저도 분명히 틀려요. 틀리지만 그냥 넘어가는 것을 여러분들에게 보여드릴게요. 자, 제가 지금부터 이제 쉐도잉 하는 걸 보여드릴게요. 쉐도잉 할 때 포인트는 이제 듣는 말을 모두 제대로 정확하게 따라할 수는 없어요. 분명히 틀리는 게 나올 수 있는데 그 틀리는 것을 생각하느라고 다음 걸 못 듣는 일이 없어야 돼요. 그래서 틀리더라도 그냥 다음으로 넘어가서 그 다음 거를 신경 쓰면서 듣고 따라하는 것을 연습을 하시면 됩니다. 제가 지금 오늘 할 거는 VOA에서 Voice of America에서 제공하는 그 기사를 가지고 이렇게 할 거고요. VOA는 이제 Non-Profit Organization이라서 이렇게 비영리 단체이기 때문에 이런 매터리얼을 조금 저작권에서 약간 자유롭게 쓸 수가 있어요. 그래서 제가 이것을 VOA 말고도 이렇게 쓸 수 있는 그런 자료들이 있으면 이렇게 쉐도잉을 해서 밑에 이제 설명란에 공유를 할게요. 일단 저도 분명히 틀려요. 틀리지만 그냥 넘어가는 것을 여러분들에게 보여드릴게요. 그래서 시작하겠습니다. 저는 소리를 조금 더 크게 듣기 위해서 이런 거치대를 사용을 했어요.
Most Americans eat ultra-processed food every day. These are foods that you cannot make at home because they contain flavors and chemicals that change the taste or feel of the food. Such foods may also go through preparation methods that are not possible in a home kitchen. They are usually high in salt, sugar, and fat. Americans may eat them in the form of sugary cereals at breakfast, frozen pizzas at dinner, and in between bites like potato chips, sodas, and ice cream. Ultra-processed food make up about 60% of the American diet. For children and teenagers, it is even higher, about two-thirds of what they eat. Scientists have connected eating ultra-processed food to poor health results. Being overweight is one such result, and that may lead to diabetes and heart disease. Other possible health risks include depression and dementia. One recent study suggests that eating these foods may raise the risk of early death. Nutrition science is complex though, and most research so far has found connections, not proof, regarding the health effects of these foods. Food manufacturers argue that processing increases food safety and food supplies. They say it also offers a low-cost, easy way to provide a diverse and nutritious diet. The Associated Press asked several nutrition experts to explain these foods so that people can make informed their choices. Most foods are processed, whether it is by freezing, grinding, fermentation, pasteurization, or other means. In 2009, Brazilian epidemiologist Carlos Monteiro and his team first proposed a way to classify food by how much they are processed, not by their nutrient content. This is called the NOVA classification system. It is used by international bodies like the World Health Organization. Kevin Hall is a researcher who studies metabolism and diet at the National Institutes of Health. He said that foods at the top of the NOVA score are foods prepared with industrial processes and ingredients such as additives, colors, and preservatives that you could not use in a home kitchen. These are most, but not all of the packaged foods you see, Hall said. Not all processing is unhealthy, Hall noted. Whole grain bread, yogurt, tofu, and infant formula are all highly processed, for example. But they are also nutritious. Still, many studies suggest that diets high in ultra-processed food are tied to poor health results. The exact cause is still unclear. Hall and his partners carried out a small study of 20 people who came to live in a health center for a month. Some of the people ate ultra-processed food, while others ate unprocessed food. The two
The
groups
two
got the
groups
same
got the
amount
same
of
amount of
calories,
sugar,
fat,
fat,
fiber, and nutrients for 2 weeks.
They could eat
They
as
could
much
eat
as
as
they
much
liked.
as they like.
When people ate the
People ate
diet
the
of
diet of
ultra-processed
ultra-processed
food,
food.
they took
They
in
took
about
in about 500
calories
calories
per
per day,
day, more than
more
when
than
they
when
ate
they ate
unprocessed food.
unprocessed food.
Researchers found
They gained
they
an
gained
average
an average of about 1
kilogram during the study period.
People who ate
People who
only
ate only
unprocessed foods
unprocessed food for the same amount of time
lost
lost
about
about
1
1 kilogram.
A new study
A
is
new study
currently
is currently taking
and
place,
its
and
results
its
should
results should
appear
appear
next year.
next year.
After
After Nina Prasad is director of Bloomberg Philanthropy's food policy program.
She said
She
such
said
foods
such
are
foods are often made to be both low cost and very tasty.
You just
You
can't
just
stop
can't
eating
stop
them,
eating them,
Prasad said.
Prasad said.
She said
She
she
believes
believes
leaders have
enough
enough
facts
facts
to
to change
change policies.
policies.
This could mean
This could
raising
mean
taxes on
taxes on sugary drinks,
limiting
limiting
salt in these foods,
and
controlling how
how
advertisers
advertisers
sell
sell
the
the
foods
foods to children.
Earlier
Earlier this year,
Food and Drug
Food and Drug
Administration
Administration
Commissioner
Commissioner
Robert
Robert
Kelly
Kelly
told a group of
food
food
policy
policy
experts
experts that
that
ultra-processed
ultra-processed
foods
food
are a complex
subject.
However,
However,
said, we've
They
got to
said,
have the
we've got to have
scientific
the
basis,
scientific basis,
and then we've
and then
got
we've
to
got to
follow
follow
through.
through.
Aviva
Aviva
Musquis
Musquis,
is
the
science
science
director
director
for the Center
for
for
the Center
Science
for
in the
Science
Public
in the
Interest.
Public Interest.
She said,
She said,
buyers should check
information printed on food
containers
containers
and make
and make
choices based on the current US
dietary guidelines.
We have really good evidence that added sugar is not great for us. We have evidence that high sodium foods are not great for us,
she said.
Musquis
added,
we have
we
great
have great
evidence
evidence
that
that
fruits
and vegetables which are minimally processed
are
really good for us.
I'm
I'm Jill Robbins. Thank you, Jill Robbins. 쉐도잉 하는 것을 보여드렸고요. 저도 중간에 계속 조금씩 틀렸어요. 그래도 이렇게 하고 나서 중요한 것은 본인이 그 쉐도잉 처음 한 것을 스크립트를 통해서 그 밑에 스크립트가 나와 있어요. VOA가 좋은 게 이렇게 음성 파일이 제공이 되고 그리고 그 밑에 이렇게 스크립트가 바로 있어요. 그래서 확인을 할 수 있어요. 다 보고서 또 들으면서 스크립트를 보면서 할 수도 있고 그리고 다시 한번 체크를 하면 좋을 것 같아요. 그렇게 여러분들이 쉐도잉을 꾸준히 하셔서 영어 실력을 향상을 시키시길 바랍니다.